Hey guys, welcome back. This is Anya. Recently, there have some customer asked, "Hey Anya, do you have the 324 ampere hour, 334 ampere hour, and the 356 ampere hour from the EVE brand new grade A cell?" Until now, we still didn't provide it, and today I'd like to share about the market information. Last week, one of my customers asked me to help him to buy the EVE brand new grade A 346 ampere hour lithium iron phosphate battery cell, because this is my old customer, and to do the customer support, and I asked my colleague to buy from the market. But when we saw the battery cell of the 356 ampere hour, the quality cannot accept by my factory, because you can see the details of video. First, it is over thicker, 5 mm the difference between each of the cell. And the second is the most important, that the injection port is protruding. You can see the details of picture of here. It means the injection port is damaged. Maybe at present there is no problem, but after a long time of use, there will have the leakage risk for the battery cell. And for this battery cell, it is the grade A battery cell, as the supplier shows to us, because it has the testing report. All details shows there's no problem. But when we saw the real battery cell, we cannot accept such battery's quality. So we told our customer that this EVE brand new grade A 356 ampere hour has those problems. Can you accept that? If our suggestion, we won't suggest you to buy, because there we need to overuse the warranty. Maybe this battery used for 1 year or 2 years is no problem. But then after 3 years, if they have damage, who will take responsibility? So in this situation, I asked the customer to cancel the order of the 356 ampere hour lithium battery cell, and to buy the EVE 314 ampere hour battery cell instead of. I don't know the details market information about other suppliers, but until the information we collect from the market, there is no very good quality for the 324 ampere hour, 334 ampere hour, and 356 ampere hour. And if you have the good sourcing information about those range of capacity in good quality, you can message me. And today's video, I'd like to share with you guys the Starmax quality for the 314 ampere hour lithium iron phosphate battery cell. For example, this bulk of goods is entered to our warehouse last month. It is the brand new grade A 314 ampere hour. When the battery cell entered to our warehouse, we will test each of the battery cell. Yes, to see the voltage, the appearance, all the details. If we found they have the appearance deformed, they have the problem for the appearance, they have the voltage problem, we will return to EVE to change the battery cell. And this video I'd like to share with you guys that about the 314 ampere hour. When this bulk of goods enter to our warehouse, we all tested the voltage. You can see for this bulk, there is marked voltage range at 3.290 to 3.299 voltage range, and the manufacture date at 2026 June. And you can see this video I will share with you guys about the testing. After 1 month, how is the voltage difference between the first we test and now we test? If there is no voltage difference, then it is no any issue for self-discharge. If there have voltage difference or voltage drop, there will have the self-discharge issues. And let me show you the details of it. The internal resistance 0.22, voltage 3.2951. Yes, it is within the voltage range. 3.2951, same. So you can see the perfect consistency for the battery cell. Same. It is also the same. So you can see we are doing is the random testing. The random testing, all the battery cells voltage and internal resistance is the same. Okay, it is also the same. It is also the same. So you can see the voltage and the internal resistance for the battery cell is within when we first tested, except that each of the battery cell from Starmax is totally flat. You can see the details of the video here. When we put the battery cell together, there is no any gap between it. This is the A-grade quality. It is very flat, because if it's not flat, we will change the battery cell with the EVE. Each of the EVE 314 ampere from Starmax is no any gap between the battery cell and very consistency in the internal resistance and the voltage. This is the quality control from Starmax for the 314 ampere lithium iron phosphate battery cell. That's why I highly recommend my customer to change the 356 ampere to the 314 ampere. First point, that is the 314 ampere battery cell's quality is better than the 356 ampere. And secondly, that is, you guys know 314 ampere already released to market for more than 2 or 3 years. It is very mature product in the market, but for the 356 ampere, it is just released this year. Quality is a little hard to guarantee. And now we have the promotion for the EVE 314 ampere, Lithium 314 ampere. You can consult with our sales to get the latest quotation. And thank you for you guys watching. This is Anya. See you in this video. Bye bye.